Good morning, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this very special 1967 Chevrolet El Camino Custom. What you need to know about this car, it has some of the wildest paint I've ever seen. There's not really a color for this because it's multicolor. Depending on where you stand, it's green, it's purple, it's taupe, whatever the heck. But it's beautifully done. I mean, this paint job is to die for. This has full airbags, 350 V8, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, your disc brakes. Beautifully finished interior. So inside, remember how to open it. This fully finished off Chevy small block, has a serpentine belt, air conditioning, power steering, alternator, obviously all this custom aluminum work, wipers, wiper motor. Has dual radiator fans. A lot of cool custom pieces. Has the ghost stripes. I mentioned four-wheel disc brakes. It also has 4 airbag suspension. Back here is where the dual batteries are, the pump and the canister. Fuel tank fill is over there.
Beautiful.
Beautifully finished car. So we're going to go out for a quick test drive. It has the console here where you can fill the airbags. Has poppers. Has tilt wheel. Here's an album on the building process. You can see it's a complete frame off, multi-year build, and they did it really right. They kept really good records. So we'll go for a quick test drive. So it has kind of race car-esque gauges. Fires right up. Air conditioning works. The people who consigned this car drove it from Arizona yesterday. So it's a driver. Power steering. For a quick test drive. A little tricky getting out of here. Will fall right in line behind this truck. So it has really nice performance. Drives out very nice. Gauges all seem to work. Okay, I had it. Now it's in 3rd gear. 2,000 RPM. Drives out really nice and smooth. I'm going to turn really nice brakes. Super powerful brakes, unbelievable. Turn signals work. Gauges work. performance. Very smooth, not too terribly loud, not crazy. It's a nice cruiser, not too loud, not too crazy. Very subtle. Gauges all work. This is a very cool car, very well done. So we're going to turn in down here. Car turns in nice and straight. Okay, a little challenge. There we go, get in reverse. That's one of these reverse lockouts, which are, it prevents you from, by mistake, selecting your reverse gear. So this car is turnkey, reliable, fast, cool, hard to beat. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks very much.